Hello everyone, I am Tejaswini from CSE department. We are here to present our PBL second review. Our guide is Ranjita ma'am and my team members are Srinika, Siri and Srishti FH. So let's begin. Our PBL topic is fashion recommendation outfits. So here I am going to tell about the contents. Here we used the contents, the introduction, project objectives, key requirements, deep learning overview, system architecture overview, data collection and pre-processing, deep learning model selection, model training, model integration of front-ended, user experiences, designs, error handling and performance, frameworks, tools, results, implementations, and lastly, I am going to, and my friends are going to tell you about the conclusion and the future work. So let's begin with the introduction. So here the fashion recommendation on the system intelligent platform suggests the based on the user interest, purchases, history, browsing behavior, and a style reference. So when we come to the this introduction part, here we detailedly tell about the so what we are going to intelligent platform and the suggest clothing based on the inter purchasing of the history, because of their style preference, or they are going to be a e-commerce platforms like a Amazon, Mintra and Flipkart to enhance the customer shopping and experience. As the fashion trends change rapidly, automated recommendation helps to customer find the suitable outfits efficiently. So here this is the introduction part. So next I'm going to the project objective. The main objective is to provide personalized fashion recommendation to user. The main thing is to they select a main provide personalization because of their a body shape and the outfit. The system leverages deep learning models to analyze a product images and the attributes. So here the deep when we come to the deep learning integration, the models can integrated into a fashion recommendation system to analyze the product images and the attributes. So this can involve the image analysis, attribute analysis, and the model training. When we come to the image analysis, it also uses the neural networks, that is a conventional neural network CNS, to extract the features in the product image. Attribute analysis means we going to analyze the product attributes like a color, style, category, and to understand the user preferences. So when we come to the model training, we all know that learning a model on a large scale fashion dataset is the learned patterns, so relation between the user performance and it depends on the product attributes. So this project especially focuses on a front model integration, enabling recommendation to be displayed instantly to the users. So main goal is to making a shopping for a more quick and a relevant to pick their a fashion outfit easily. So now the next part is key requirements. Here the key requirements when the data recommendation system must learn patterns from a large scale fashion data set. So the system must learn patterns from the large scale data set. When we come to the user focused interfaces means it is easy to use and visually applying. So deep learning integration, already told before that I am integrated into the fashion recommendation system analysis the product images and the attributes. Here the model can run the interface efficiently in the front-ended workflow to generate recommended instantly. They always go through the work with the recommendation instantly. Nowadays they are going to be more integration with the front ender workflow generating and the coming updates of the instanted stylish. So when we come to the performance optimizations, to ensure recommendation appear quickly without delays or a consider, uh, efficient models interface. That is a deep learning model where the fast interface front-ended workflow by catching the pre-compilation, means catching the frequently accessed or a pre-compute recommendation for a popular items to reduce the latency. Nowadays it is very high, to so that to reduce the latency, here we recommended the picture of the stylish, how we are going to using the our stylish. The first one is popular trends and the seasonal preference. Here we shown in the figure. So this says that how the scalable architecture was designed. Designing a scalable system architecture to handle a varying loads and ensure a quick response that time, and it is more time efficiency. So the next part is continued by my teammate.
Hello everyone, I'm Srushti from CSC branch. I'm here to explain about deep learning overview. Deep learning is a part of machine learning that uses a neural network with many layers to understand the complex data. And it is a good for the fashion recommendation because it can look at the pictures of a cloth and understand the details like color, texture, pattern, and style. It can learn what user like and match them with a similar product automatically. This is all about the deep learning overview. System architecture. In the system architecture, front end level workflow, user input, deep learning model inference, similarities, and recommendation display. User input means user search for or click on a clothing item they like. And deep learning model processing, that item is sent to the trained deep learning model for analysis. Here in the deep learning model inference, analysis of the model happen. And in user input, it will take the user data, finding the similar items. The model checks the database to find the cloth that looks or match the user taste. At last, recommendation display. The website or app then display the recommended fashion item on the screen. This is system architecture. Data collection and pre-processing. In the data collection and pre-processing, there are data sources and dataset includes and pre-processing steps. Data source. The data comes from the fashion catalog. Here we are collecting the data from Kaggle, like Kaggle fashion dataset and online shopping images collection. In the data source, we are collecting the data related to the cloth uh, that is important for our fashion outfit recommendation project. And dataset includes what all the dataset we are included. It includes the pictures of cloth, their category like shirt or a dress, brand, size, color, and user activity like click or likes. Pre-processing steps. In the pre-processing steps, resize and normalize the images so all pictures are the same size and clear. Remove the bad or repeated images to keep on only the good data. For example, color, as we take the color, the red is equal to 1, blue is equal to 2, converting the words into the number. Split the data into three parts like training, validation, and testing to train and check the model performance. This is all about my part, and the next part will be continued by my teammate. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrinika Innes from CSC department. I am here to present my topic, that is deep learning model selection, model training and model integration at front end, and the last is user experience design. So let's begin. The first is deep learning model selection. So, what are all the models that we have selected are we have used two, that is convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks. So, the very first is convolutional neural networks, which is used for CNNs are used to extract visual features from images. They are effective in identifying patterns, textures, shapes, and overall design elements present in clothing items. Because of their strong performance in image recognition tasks, CNNs are highly suitable for fashion item comparison. And the next is recurrent neural networks or transformers models. These models are used if the system also needs to consider users' browsing history or their style preference patterns. They can capture sequential behavior, meaning they understand how users' choices change over the time. And the last justification how these both actually work. CNNs are ideal for our system because fashion recommendation relies heavily on accurate visual similarity, and CNNs provide strong visual feature extraction capabilities. And the next is model training. Next slide. This is training. The model training phase involves preparing the CNN to correctly identify patterns in fashion images. So the first is training process, where firstly labeled fashion images are provided to the CNN. Then the model extracts important visual features and converts them into feature embeddings. During training, parameters are adjusted using the backpropagation algorithm to reduce prediction errors. Next is training matrices. There are three, that is accuracy, loss, and the validation. Where the accuracy measures how well the model recognizes and matches similar products, and the loss represents the prediction error, and we aim to minimize it throughout training. And the validation ensures the model performs well on new and unseen images, preventing overfitting. Through these matrices, we evaluate the refine the model to achieve reliable performance. And the next is model integration at front end. Once the model is trained, it must be integrated into the user facing application. This is done in two ways, that is TensorFlow.js and the REST API. That is, the trained model is converted to run directly in the web browser. This allows faster response time with no server load and reduces latency for the user. Next is REST API. That is, here the model is hosted on a server. The front end sends product images or details to the server, and the server returns the recommendations. This method is preferred when we use larger or more complex models. And the process flow, as you can see, the user will select a product, then the system extracts visual features, and then the model identifies and suggests the closest matching items. And the last is UI. The UI displays recommended items in real time. The next is user experience design. How user will experience our website. To ensure smooth interaction and user satisfaction, the interface design plays a critical role. There are two, that is AI UI elements should include a search bar and filters to refine categories. As you can see here in the image, the search bar, and a feedback option such as did you like this to improve suggestions over time. Next is UI focus, which focuses on the experience must be fast and responsive with minimal waiting time, and the layout should remain clean and visually appealing. Product images and details should be clear, allowing users to make quick comparisons. As you can see, there is a stylish cotton dress and which the price is displayed like this. Overall, the user experience is designed to make browsing intuitive, visually engaging, and helpful in making better style decisions. This was my part. Next will be continued by my teammate.
Hello everyone, I'm CVPM from CSE department and I'm here to explain about the performance and results of the deep learning model fashion recommendation system. First one is error handling and performance. Common issues. Deep learning models can be slow while giving results because they take time to process large data. They also use high memory, so not all devices can handle them easily. Network latency can cause delays when the, the model connects to the backend server. Solutions are model compression like quantization or pruning helps reduce the model size and speed up predictions. Asynchronous API calls let the UI stay responsive while the model works in the background. Catching results avoids repeating the same calculation for similar inputs. This slide's image shows performance optimization representing how delays and memory usage can be reduced. Next one is frameworks and tools. Next, first is deep learning frameworks. TensorFlow or Keras are used to train and build the recommendation model. PyTorch allows flexible tuning and experimentation. Front-end tools are React.js, Angular, Vue.js, build a responsive user interface. HTML, CSS, JavaScript manage layout and styling. Next is backend and deployment. Flask or Fast API are used to create REST APIs connecting frontend and model. The image represents how the frontend, backend, and model work to provide real-time fashion recommendations. Next is results and implementation. The model accurately identifies similar fashion products using image features. After training, it achieves high accuracy in detecting visual similarity. The system provides real time recommendations and personalized suggestions based on user preferences. The graph in the image shows model performance, accuracy, confidence, and precision across different product categories, proving the system's reliability. Next one is conclusion and future work. Conclusion. The fashion recommendation system enhances the shopping experience through AI based personalization, giving users visually aligned clothing suggestions. Future enhancements. They add AR based virtual try on for users to see outfits virtually, expand the dataset to include global fashion styles, include emotion and seasonal trend analysis for more accurate recommendations. The image below illustrates a virtual fashion try-on concept using AI and AR, showing how future versions could look more interactive and advanced. The next website and code will be explained by Shushti. Thank you.
I think it's over, right?
Ma'am, we want to explain a website, ma'am.
Yes. Let's go with that.
10 minutes.
Before that, I asked some questions about your PPT.
हाँ ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Yes. Anyone can answer for this question. As how does your system work? Can you explain? Please wait. Please
Yes
wait.
ma'am. Ma'am, it will analyze the user input, ma'am. We have used a CNN model. Ma'am, website
Okay,
explain.
okay. Sorry. Yes, Srushti, I think
Ma'am.
you answered that question.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm in call.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
It's okay.
yes, can again explain how does it works?
Ma'am, we have used a CNN model here, ma'am. In our website, that will analyze the user input, like images. We have trained that using images, already existed images, has a data set.
Yes, so are you work with an real time capturing of an person images?
Still, we didn't work with that,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Still,
In this review, we have only
Hmm.
developed front end, ma'am.
Hmm.
Using real time and all, we will be implementing in the final review, that is third review, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. And who are your target user for your project? Target users
Teenagers,
for your
ma'am.
project.
Teenagers.
Only for the teenagers?
for all kind of peoples,
For all, ma'am.
Yes,
mostly for the college students.
I think it will
The
help
one,
to
ma'am.
students,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. The one who
professionals,
will, yes, ma'am.
and online shoppers.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, okay, fine. Let's go with implementation.
Okay, ma'am. Now I will show our website.
Okay,
These all our codes, ma'am.
yes,
We used a HTML and a CSS code. For styling, we used HTML, CSS code, and CNN model we used. We have took the data from the Kaggle.
yes.
Here we have index.html and package log JSON and package, and this style band. These all are used for the styling the website, ma'am.
Yes, in the data set, which are all the features are present there?
Ma'am, like images of the shirt image and
Can you
some.
show that data set?
Ma'am, just we have to.
I think you are included that CSV file.
Ma'am, this is our database, ma'am. Here we have fashion outfit recommended database.
Yes. Show the features. No, it is not a data set. You are fetching data set from Kaggle website, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are downloading CSV file.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's show that CSV file. Anyone can share that screen. No. Okay, Srushti, you share the data set after your
Yes, ma'am.
presentation, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you can, you know, continue now.
Ma'am, this is our website, ma'am.
Okay.
Here we can log in through email ID and password, ma'am.
This is for the user, right?
Yes, ma'am.
User login page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Registration page.
If we do not have any sign-in account, we
Hmm.
have to create the account.
Hmm. Yes.
So this is the features, ma'am, what we used in this website.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is our home page, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes.
After signing, user are welcomed here, and there are main three options: manage wardrobe and get recommendation and customize profile. Just we have built with simple tools, ma'am. Here how it work, ma'am.
Okay.
Here we can add the item and set preferences and get suggestion and save the favorites. This is home page, ma'am. In the wardrobe we uh, uh, here category which means top bottom dress category. Here we can choose, ma'am. Color means which color, and add item. In the add item we can upload the image, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes.
Category like I have already told that top bottom dress
Okay.
or outer, and color, ma'am, and pattern solid or anything, and section season, sorry, season means which type of weather condition. And for the more analysis we can upload here image and subcategory and secondary color and occasion, which type of occasion, and brand, ma'am. After that we can submit that, ma'am. Here they after
Here
the
for the image,
huh.
you are required to upload an URL, right?
Yes, ma'am, but
I
for
think
the next
better to
time we will try
include an.
to
Yes,
scanning the image.
yes, it's better.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
After that all input that will analyze, ma'am. Outfit recommendator also we have occasion and section. In the profile we have personal information like full name and body type, which type of body type, and style preferences, and we save that. And there are skin tone and hair color and outfit color, and lastly sign out.
And I think here in a profile setting, you include size chart also.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If
Ah,
they
okay.
were selecting size chart like S, XS, L and M, it's better to.
Yes, ma'am. It is
uh,
better suggestion,
that's-
and we will also add that to not to upload ULR, scan the image.
Okay, okay.
Scan.
And
Yes.
one thing, after that, purchasing any item in an online, or if they were
Yes, ma'am.
using any items from your website,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
uh, in your website, please allow users to rate or like recommendations.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Use this feedback to continuously improve the model accuracy.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Feedback. We will add it that option at last, ma'am. Feedback.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Series record आता. Siri, Amma.